Brazuquinhas Kids.
Let's learn the Spanish letter E, la letra E. In English it's I, in Spanish it's E. Let's make the sound of the Spanish letter E. E, 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 E. E, 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 E. E, E, E. E. Veamos palabras con E. Let's see words with E. E de isla, island. E is for isla. E de iguana, iguana. E is for iguana. E, isla. E, isla. E, iguana. Iguana. Conmigo, with me. Isla. Isla. Iguana. Iguana. This was the Spanish letter E.
Suscríbete al canal.